I dig in the garden. I dig in the garden yesterday. I ring the doorbell. I rang the doorbell earlier.
I feed my pet every day. I fed my pet this morning.
I draw pictures for fun. I drew a picture yesterday.
He falls asleep quickly. He fell asleep early last night.
I drive to work. I drove to work yesterday. I buy groceries on Fridays. I bought groceries yesterday.
I drink water with my meal. I drank a glass of water earlier.
I choose the blue shirt. I chose the red one yesterday. I hold my bag tightly. I held my bag on the bus.
I keep my room clean. I kept my room clean last week.
I sell old things online. I sold an old phone last week. I lend books to friends. I lent a book yesterday. I sit near the window. I sat near the window earlier. I lay the book on the table. I laid the book there earlier.
I begin work at 9. I began work late yesterday. I hide my keys. I hid my keys yesterday.
I catch the bus every morning. I caught the bus yesterday. I bring lunch to work. I brought lunch yesterday. I wear comfortable shoes. I wore comfortable shoes yesterday. I pay in cash. I paid by card yesterday. I lose my phone often. I lost my phone yesterday. I wear comfortable shoes. I wore comfortable shoes yesterday. I teach my child at home.
I taught my child.
I speak English at work. I spoke English yesterday. I send messages every day. I sent a message last night. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Please remember to hit the subscribe button for more fun lessons.